Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we got an interesting problem to tackle. So, imagine this. You accidentally unplugged your external HD before the eject was done, and now you're stuck with a stubborn directory named VolumesRed that just won't budge. Despite your best efforts, it's still there and refuses to be deleted. To add to the confusion, the HD now mounts as VolumesRed1. Talk about a headache, right? Now, let's dive into the solution. The key here is to keep it simple. Try turning off your device and then turning it back on again. It may sound like a cliche, but this classic troubleshooting step can work wonders. By rebooting your system, you give it a chance to reset and hopefully get rid of that pesky VolumesRed directory for good. Sometimes, the simplest fixes are the most effective. Give it a shot and see if it does the trick. In summary, we've learned that the solution to our VolumesRed problem might just be a reboot away. Sometimes a quick reset is all it takes to clear out those stubborn directories and get your system back on track. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Remember, a little bit of humor can go a long way in troubleshooting tech issues. Thanks for watching, and happy computing!